Arjun wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. But today he does not need an alarm. He is already awake. He has been lying in bed since 5, staring at the ceiling. His mind is fully of questions. What will be the college look like? Will the teachers be strict? Will I make any friends? He takes a deep breath and tells himself, relax, everything will be fine. He gets up and goes straight to the bathroom. He takes a longer shower than usual. He wants to feel fresh and confident today. After the shower, he stands in front of his cupboard for a long time. He is not sure what to wear. He tries a white shirt first, then a blue one. Finally, he chooses a plain grey t shirt and dark blue jeans. Simple, clean, and comfortable. He looks at himself in the mirror. Not bad, he thinks with a small smile. He comes to the kitchen. His mother has made poha and a cup of tea. She looks at him and smiles proudly. My son is going to college today, she says softly. Arjun feels a little shy. Mom, please, it's just college. Just college, she says. This is the beginning of your life, Arjun. Eat properly. Don't be nervous. He sits down and eats his breakfast slowly. For once, he is not in a hurry. He drinks his tea and looks out of the window. The morning sky is clear and blue. It feels like a good sign. At 8 o'clock, he picks up his new bag. His mother has already packed it for him. Notebook, pen, water bottle, and a small tiffin. She hands him the bag and holds his hand for a moment. Be yourself, she says. That is enough. Arjun nods, says goodbye, and walks out the door. The college is about 40 minutes away by bus. Arjun reaches the bus stop and waits. He notices that he is not the only one who looks nervous. A girl standing nearby is checking her phone again and again. A boy is fixing his hair for the third time. Everyone is a little anxious today. The bus arrives. Arjun gets in and finds a seat near the window. He puts on his earphones but does not play any music. He just wants to think quietly. As the bus moves through the city, Arjun watches the streets. He passes the school where he studied for 12 years. He remembers his old friends, his favorite teachers, and the small canteen where he used to eat samosa every Thursday. That chapter is over now, he thinks. A new one is starting. After 40 minutes, the bus stops near the college gate. Arjun steps out and looks up. The college is big, much bigger than his school. There are tall buildings, wide open grounds, and hundreds of students walking in every direction. Some are laughing loudly. Some are sitting in the groups. Some are looking at their phones. Arjun stands still for a moment. He feels small. He feels excited. He feels both things at the same time. He takes a slow breath and walks inside. He checks his admission paper and finds his classroom. Room number 14, second floor. He walks up the stairs carefully, reading the room numbers on each door. 11, 12, 13, and then 14. He pushes the door open slowly and looks inside. The classroom is half full. Some students are already sitting. Some are talking to each other. Some are sitting alone, just like him. Arjun walks to the middle row and chooses a seat near the window. He puts his bag down and sits quietly. A boy sitting next to him turns and smiles. First day? He asks. Yes, Arjun says. Is it that obvious? The boy laughs. Don't worry, I'm also new. My name is Karan. I'm Arjun, he says, and shakes hands. Just like that, in 30 seconds, Arjun has his first college friend. At 9 o'clock, the teacher walks in. Her name is Professor Asha Mehta. She is a tall woman with glasses and a calm face. She puts her books on the table and looks at the class. Good morning, everyone, she says. Welcome to your first day. I know you are all nervous. That is completely normal. But I want you to remember one thing. College is not just about studying. It is about growing, learning to think, learning to ask questions, learning to fail and try again. The class is very quiet. Everyone is listening carefully. Now, she says with a smile, let's start simply. Tell me your name and one thing you love. That's all. One by one, students stand up and introduce themselves. Some speak confidently, some speak softly, some forget what they wanted to say and laugh nervously. Arjun listens to everyone carefully. When his turn comes, he stands up slowly. My name is Arjun, he says. His voice is a little shaky at first. And I love cricket. And also learning new things. He sits down quickly. His heart is beating fast, but Professor Mehta smiles at him and nods. That one small nod makes him feel much better. The rest of the morning passes quickly. There are two more classes, mathematics and English. The teachers are friendly but serious. There is a lot of new information. Arjun writes everything in his notebook carefully. At 1 o'clock, it is lunch time. Arjun and Karan walk to the college canteen together. It is a large, open area with many tables and benches. The smell of fresh food fills the air. They buy two plates of rice and dal and sit down together. How are you feeling now? Karan asks. Better, Arjun says honestly. The morning was scary, but now it feels okay. Same, Karan says. I think the first hour is always the hardest. They eat together and talk about their hometowns, their schools, and what subjects they have chosen. Arjun realizes the Karan is from a small town, just like him. They have a lot in common. After lunch, there is one more class. Then at 4 o'clock, the day ends. Arjun walks out of the college gate feeling different from when he walked in. In the morning, he was nervous and unsure. Now he feels a little more confident. Not fully confident, but a little, and sometimes a little is enough. He takes the bus back home. This time, he puts on music and looks out of the window with a small smile on his face. When he reaches home, his mother is waiting at the door. How was it? She asks immediately. Arjun puts his bag down and sits on the sofa. It was good, mom, he says. I was scared in the beginning, but then I made a friend, and the teacher was nice. And I think I am going to be okay. His mother brings him a cup of tea and sits next to him. He tells her everything: the big college gate, the classroom, Professor Mehta, and Karan. She listens to every word without interrupting. That night, before sleeping, Arjun opens his notebook. He writes three sentences. Today was my first day at college. I was nervous, but I tried. Tomorrow, I will try again. He closes the notebook, sets his alarm, and turns off the light. Outside, the city is quiet. A new chapter has begun.